ya tariki 25 naguo mweri wa Mugaa mwaka wa 2024 ni muhoko wakwa ate muthenya wa kurira gutorithia uwega na nini ndagioka niguo ngumenyithie maria mari ku thiini ria iriko ya mohoro guku niko Muthingi TV no mbere ndayareke tombe tumukire mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie.
Na hari mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie ni ati ituria kihanire gumeire gicagi kia Ivonda na ni thutha wa andu eri gukwira ithima-ini iria wenji wa mahiga kaunti-ini ya Kakamega. Andu mugwanja ni marathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Githii na ni thutha wa kirini iria ikwenjaga thi gutemwerekera na kugwira matutu imwe igicungiriria hathara ino. Nayo kamiti ya wandikithia wa arimu TSC ni twarite arimu 17 eru thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Gabriel Songa na ni thutha wa mwarimu munene gukorwo akihamurithio kuma thukuru-ini kumanagia na momerera matari mega kigeranio-ini kia mwaka muhituku.
Turamemerekia na njira ya imwe kwa imwe ni live transmission. Turamemerekia kuma guku mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi no kurokenia na ithu kuri mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, mwena wa YouTube @Muthingi TV. Tutigire ndumiriri yaku nguhi ku ni tuko tukimiamukira mohoro-ini maitu kana tutanarikane wega nguririkania ati mahinda mothe ni nawe twacemania na ujete Kariuki wa andu ati ni gukorwo ngitikanya bara wa ndudu ya maminista na nowe minister wa ugendi guku bururi-ini kana maundu mananja guku bururi-ini no ria wikaine ta Wycliffe Iceera Mudavadi ni arikitie kwambika Iceera ria ria nduko ithatu bururi-ini wa China na kuri arikitie gukinya mucii munene wa Beijing. Kana mundu wikaine ta Iceera Mudavadi atanyitwo gukorwo akiriria maundu matiganite ari hamwe na komatia ndugu njega gatakati ka mabũrũri maya meri ona thengia ya gwitigirira ati ni akorwo akionana na Kenya aria makoragwo magikara bũrũri-ini ucio. Mudavadi atanyitwo gukorwo ku Iceera-ini ria nduko ithatu na thutha ucio kumatia ndugu njega ikoretwo igithie na mbere na kuonekana gatakati ga bũrũri wa Kenya na China.
Yes. All right. So, please.
This gives us very strong confidence.
Tukiuma riboti-ini iyo igie mundu uikaine ta nyabara wa ndudu ya maminista Iceera Mudavadi kaunti-ini ya Githii ni ati mutumia wa munini wa president na uikaine ta Pastor Dorcas Rigathi ni onekanite gukorwo agicakaya na njira nene kugereka kwa mirimo ya meciria na makiria gatagati ka mbeu njithi undu uria ugite ati ni onekanite gukorwo ukiongereka na njira nene na makiria hari mwana wa kahia kaunti-ini ya Githii ni ugite ati murimo wa meciria ni undu wa mamundu mamwe maria macungiririo ni uhuthiri na unyi wa dawa cia kulevya mamukite riria onekanite gukorwo akimatia na makiria na njira nene kambeini yake ya gutigirira ati ni ahurana na dawa cia kulevya na iria cionekanite ukorwo ikihutia mwana wa kahii na njira nene akiuga kambeini ndio gutigithiria ginyanagia mwana wa kahii akorwo ni ahonokana ni akurwo kuma minyororo-ini ino.
It is very sad to see that in our schools and our universities we are witnessing cases of depression, frustration, and it is more prevalence with the people who are taking drugs. They get into the place of suicide, and as you heard the other time we were in a university where we were told that 55 had committed suicide. And it is very sad if as a mother or a parent you take your child to school or to the university and they come in a casket. And that is why we want to speak to them, to be able to inspire them and to encourage them and to give them hope and tell them there is a great future. And that's why I cannot relent. I will continue and try to talk to our boys, and especially the boys, because even in the suicide cases, we find most of them, about 80%, is still boys. Those ones who are also behind bars, you find again 80% are on those defilement cases where they are in for very long time. And I can tell you that their destiny are destroyed, and thinking of the inmates like 58,000. Those are 58 families, fathers who and leaders who are behind there. The potential of a nation where we could be talking of economic drivers, but they are behind bars and they are not doing much. And families are suffering. There are women, children who are there. And of course, there are women who would have gotten boyfriends and gotten husbands, but they are behind bars. So we must get together. I mitigate the case of a boy child. It is that boy child, many of the times when we talk about gender-based violence, it cannot be by one person. You find that my boy children will be there. When we talk about teenage pregnancies, you find my boy children are there. And so if they were to go to school and they had to get into character, I am very sure my women and girl children will be okay. And there is enough advocate for the girls. But here I am saying we must now turn and bring the boy up so that we can have a balanced society.
Aya, tukiuma kaunti-ini ya Kisii na kuria mutumia wa munini wa president uri wikene Dorcas athiite na mbere na kana athiite na mbere na gukiambika Iceera Riake kaunti-ini gukorwo akiromboia maundu matiganite ari hamwe na gutigira ati ni athaitira arutwo na makiria kana andu aria makoretwo mahutitio na njira nene ni unyui na huthiri wa dawa cia kulevya arutwo kuma kaunti-ini ya Kakamega na aria mekite wega na makiria kigeranio kiao gia KCPE kia mwaka muhituku no inde magicoka kuremerwo ni gukorwo makiingira mathukuru-ini riu mari na gitumi gia gucangarara na ni thutha wa guteithio na makiria na uteithio wa njira ya githomo maya mokite riri marikitie kwamukirwo mathukuru-ini matiganite ari hamwe na thukuru wa secondary wa Malava. Ukiri uguo andu aria makinyanirio ndu ni meranire gutigirira ati ni mahuthira kana uhoti wa uria menaguo gutigirira ati ciana ici ni cia kuri githoma ngitanagia gukorwo igitiria kirathi kiao kana gia kirathi kiao gia form 4.
Ndugu yangu ndiye alikuwa ananisomesha na alikufa hii mwaka. Naye mwenye ningetegemea babangu pia alikuwa amekufa 2013. Na nikaitwa Smart Boys na sikuwa najua cha kufanya.
Kuna ndugu alikuwa anasomesha mtoto wangu private ndio, lakini ukienda kukalia mtihani ya KCP huyo kijana kakufa. Nikashindwa nitafanyaje? Mzee wangu amekufa, nikibarua tu nikipata tukule, nikikosa tukae. Sina chochote, nimekuja tuna mattress peke yake na ndo.
Nimesoma miaka 4 kupitia kwa ufadhili wake. Ningependa kumshukuru sana kwa maana kama angekuwa yeye ningeendelea tu kubaki nyumbani. Na nimesoma miaka 4 hapa, nimetia bidii na niliweza kupata alama ya A hasi. Ningependa kushukuru pia shule waliweza kunisaidia kufikia mahali nilipofikia. So ningependa kumshukuru mwalimu mkuu kwa moyo wake wa kuweza kusaidia wanafunzi wasiojiweza. Juu kama angekuwa yeye singefika hapa. Ningemshukuru kwa kuwa pia amesaidia wanafunzi wengine na wameweza complete masomo yao.
Sisi kama shule tunakuja pamoja, walimu, wafanyikazi na management, tunafanya internal fundraising ya kuchanga pesa kulipia watoto karo. And we do everything for them, including uniform and even pocket money. We give them so that they are like any other student in the school. They don't feel lesser as compared to others. Surprisingly, they have not let us down. They have not let us down. Those who have helped have taken very good.
Haya, tuthikuria kaunti-ini ya Kakamega na ni ati iria kiharo ni rikitie kugumira aikari aitura rimwe na riria rikaine ta Ivola guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kakamega na ni thutha wa andu eri gukwira mutino-ini moru na makiria wa irima riria marakorwo makienja mahiga magoro kuringana na aikari ene matariria ati undu uria uracungiriirio kana undu uria uracungiriirio ni kwario gukorwo ikiaga riera na kuria riera riganu riria andu aria marake thiini maracungiriirio oni gukua kumanaga na wagi wa riera. Aikari kuma mwena ucio mathite na mbere na kurio matigire ati ni memenyerera kumanagia na mihango yao ya wenji wa mahiga maya magoro kuna ati ni undu ukoretwo ukihutia andu ingi na njira nene na makiria hindi iria makorwo magitabania mihango ino ya wenji wa mahiga magoro.
Na nimekuja hapa kwa mshtuko kwa sababu ya mtoto wangu. Mtoto wangu nilikuwa naye jana, bila ametoka ameenda kazini. Nimepata ripoti mwendo wa saa 4 mtoto wako amefunikwa na mchanga mahali wanachimba gold.
Naitwa Miriam Ingado. Nimesikitika kwa kifo ya kijana wangu Edwin Mangale alipomaliza amefunikwa akiwa kwa shimo la gold. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba msaada, kwa sababu hata kwa boma hakuna kitu chochote. Nimeshindwa vile mali nitaanzia. Kwa hivyo naomba msaada.
Tangu mtoto kufanya mtihani wake, alikuwa anasoma Bugina High School, akafanya form 4 yake 2022. Aliniambia kwamba auntie, nataka kujitafutia na nitaenda kwa mambo ya mining ili nijitafutie.
Tulikuwa tuko kwangu na mikutano yetu wa uchimbaji wangu, ndio tukapata ripoti tuna vijana 2 wako ndani ya shimo kwa ajili ya kuteleza na kuanguka, na tumefika au karibu kutolewa, lakini ilikuwa utefutefu kuhusu wasimamishi wenye walikuwa na hiyo kasi. Na kwa hivyo tunaomba tu investor wote mahali ambapo uko na kasi kwa vijana, lazima uangalie usalama wao, kwa sababu tumefunza kila kitu, lakini mnawaacha maneno ya tunafunza kama sisi viongozi amuifati. Nafikiria pale tutarudi nyuma, tutatafuta tua chinzi tawachukulia, kwa sababu mnaleta shida ambayo itakani itokee.
Changamoto kwa ufupi imekuwa ni utepetevu, hawakufuata zile safety protocols ambazo tumewafunza na tumewajulisha. So ilikuwa ni utepetevu ndio umesababisha vifo ambavyo tumeshuhudia kwa siku hii ya leo.
Kama kwamba wale vijana waliingia kwa shimo ambayo iko imepigwa hewa vizuri, na hiyo mambo ya safety issues.
Na nimekuja nikaangalia, nikapata bado wako ndani ya shimo, nikaita wale wahusika katika mining wakuje wa retrieve hizo mwili kutoka kwa shimo, kuhakikisha kama hawa vijana kweli ni Kaspa Lichembe.
Kuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Kakamega ni ugututura kahinda-ini gaitu ka mbere ga gwikiria tombe tikire guthira mitambo tugicokereria ni turahodoka na riboti makiria.
Waigwa firigia huho kamenya ni hindi twi ona wa Max tugutwera nginya iharo-ini atukumenyithia ciege athaki mithako nondano na maumĩrĩra ma mbĩtĩka cia kaigi gwĩthambĩra mahenya cricket hockey gonya na ingĩ nyingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa bũrũri. Nyitanagĩra na nĩ That Sports Girl wa Boy wa Njaũ o Juma wona cienda wega thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ atabarĩire ya metameta cia mathako gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV.
Kuma utongoria uria munene wa bururi uka nginyagia hau hakuja Wanjiku ni kurira ararira woyi wakwa
ko ni kurio hakwa ni no nyende maandamano mambie rucio tondu thirikari no ni tuhinyiririe haria tukinyite
ati acio me ofisi-ini cia ubunge na kuria kungi ti aria twacagurire acio nio meheire mandate
eka thirikari iratwendera atia.
It is my duty and indeed the duty of every citizen of Kenya to pay their share of taxes.
There are a number of proposed tax measures would have significant negative impact on taxpayers.
Kiuria gia kuongerereka kwa garama ya muturire ikionekana gwakiriria o gwakia
kuma riria ndeto cia ugikuyu ciokire bururi uyu noguo njohi iraingihire kuma kuri anake a Gikuyu.
Hihi murugamo wa thirikari ni uriko?
If you want to remove our trousers and whippers on the buttock, go ahead. We don't have the money.
Wege na urumwe wa Mugikuyu ugatuika niyo ndama ateti megwateire.
We are where we are today because of it is because of Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ihinda ni kinyu twarie maria matukonie ithui nyumba ya Mobi.
Rĩu ndiye gutari na mĩmera maandamano marĩa mareho nĩ baba wa nyuka wa nyuri gutirĩ mũndũ ũrarathwo
nyitanĩra na Kariuki wa Ndwati akiunanĩra Njong'wa na ateti o hamwe na atongoria makĩrung'a ici. Nĩ o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginyagia thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tũkĩgereka gabirũ ũtongoria wa bũrũri tabarĩra-inĩ ya kwendete ya kũrung'a igĩrĩ gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Cokereria ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũrũmanĩra hamwe na ithuĩ ngĩkũmenyithia marĩa marĩ kuo thĩinĩ rĩera kuoya mohoro andũ mũgwanja rĩu nĩ marathiĩ na mbere na kwamũkĩra ũrigitani thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Gĩthĩna nĩ thutha wa gũkorwo kana gũkuruhanio mũtino-inĩ mũru wa barabara ũrĩa ũhanĩkĩte mwena wa Sameta kana barabara-inĩ ya kuma Sameta gũthiĩ Gĩthii gũcũnge mũhera, na nĩ thutha wa kirini ĩmwe na ĩrĩa kana kirini ĩmwe na ĩrĩa ĩkũrutaga wĩra wa mwako temwerekeraga na gũcũngĩrĩria hathara ĩno. Kũringana na andũ arĩa meyoneire mũtino ũyũ nĩ maugĩte atĩ kirini ĩno ĩrateire mwerekera na kũrĩa ĩcokire kana ya gũthire ngari mũthemba wa matatũ na gũcoka gũcũngĩrĩria andũ makĩria a mũgwanja gũkorwo makĩgurara. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo gũtirĩ andũ makuĩte kumanagia na mũtino ũyũ. Andũ arĩa mararuta wĩra wa waki wa manyũmba makĩũrio makorwo me maitho kumanagia na kana itemi rĩa gũtigĩrĩra mĩtino ta ĩno nĩ yakorwo ĩgĩthemwo.
Wenzangu tunafanya naye biashara. Sasa nikaona wanabebwa kwenda hospitali. Sasa niliona wawili wanabebwa na kuna mzee hapa wa kijiji anasukumamia hapa na yeye ndiye anaumia sana, anapelekwa ambulance ikakuja ikampeleka.
Sasa tukia gari ikipita tukadani ni pambu simjuu, tumesaya sikiluka kwa pambu kidogo, tukaona chopa imesonga kutoka kwa barabara kidogo kidogo, ndio hiyo gari ikapita, hiyo gari kubwa ndio ikaribu hizi vipanda.
Hapa gari yenye Zoomland crane haina brakes. Ujaribu kushika brakes, haina brakes. Mwenzangu akaniambia niweke yenye low gear, ilikuwa kwa gear 5 gear 6. Nikaweka low, haingii. Kustuka mwenye mbele yangu pandeni bodaboda, pandeni yenye matatu imesimama. So mimi kuhepa nikapatana na bumps. Bumps ikanirusha na ikanipeleka pale.
Nashukuru madaktari wetu wa Lenmek walikimbia wakatusaidia kutibu wagonjwa. Wengine wamepelekwa hospitali huko Town Channel.
Thiri barabara ĩrĩa nyitithanĩtie matũra ma Embu, Mwea oro hamwe na Makutano nĩ matetete kumana na gũthũkanga gwa barabara, magĩthiĩ na mbere na kuga atĩ marima marĩa marĩ barabara-inĩ ĩno nĩ macũngĩrĩirio makorwo magĩthiĩ hathara ya maũndũ maita merĩ. Wa mbere nĩ ngari cia gũkorwo igĩthũkanga, na ningĩ nginyanagia indo iria ikoragwo ikĩrutwo mĩgũnda-inĩ ya gũkorwo igĩthũkanga, kuona atĩ barabara ĩno rĩu nĩyonekanĩte kwaga gũkorwo na mũrori. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo aikari nĩ maugĩte atĩ rĩu cigana na wona atĩ barabara ĩno yaga gũthondekwo nĩmegũkorwo magĩtũbania mũrũrũngano oro hamwe na gũcoka gũthararia kana gũkorwo magĩthararia mĩang'o yothe ya ũkui nĩ ĩrĩa ĩtabanagĩrio barabara-inĩ ici. Maya mokĩte rĩrĩ maugĩte atĩ mateta mao mahanĩte gũkorwo ta mararinga ihiga, kuona atĩ gũtirĩ mũmarũmbũiya.
Kĩa barabara ĩno itũ ĩno tũrabũthĩra kuma Makutano gũthiĩ Embu, tondũ thĩna ũrĩa twĩna mũnene mũno nĩ marima ya me thĩinĩ wa barabara ĩno. Ajali kana mĩtino ĩroneka o mũthenya, mĩtino makĩria 5 nĩ ũndũ wa marima. Wathi ndaraca ya Nyamindi erima rĩ ndaraca igũrũ, wathi ndaraca ya Rubinga cio Kiringa Embu erima rĩ ndaraca igũrũ, na marima marĩa mangĩ mecũrĩte gũkũ kando ya barabara.
no to thirikari no itu eturore na athari tore atha tondu we no ina makiria ya 10 na kirutari equalipia njega nigetha igeta barabara ingi na hau hangi no turorerie kundu kungi saini cia barabara ibao ni cia kurirwo no twire icokio hae na babu gekirwo necorwo ringi nigetha andu othe makorwo makiona uria barabara igana
muthenya ucio ungi ngari iragwa makatho tutingia ngari o ithano tungitara tungiereithia ngari cio igwetwo ni marima maya so ni tungiuria thirikari gwa gitio matuiguire tha tondu thuwe no twaumirire na no thu tukaumira maturirikane nigetha matwekere barabara ici ne tondu tari ungitare erima kuguru kwa ngari kwengera bau gukuria gutagagatini so erima riu ni rarie tondu ngiye kuguru kwa konene kwa saki kurengera bau ngari yera kwa erima ne thiine so ni tungiuria thirikari tafadhali matuiguirire tha na maturorie ni maturorie na ritho ria tha nigetha tumenyere mioyo una bata gukira maundu mangi mothe na gukira mbeca so thirikari ino itu ya Kenya ni turorie tondu ni highway na ni enda kurorua na ritho ringi
ngikora andu aria twathurire matirona barabara ino mutumia wari gathigacagua ararembu muthenya ungi abetukire aba nake no kenukirire barabara ino onake ona ateti makireka kuona marima ndona marima me barabara ino riu no turenda kuga thuyo tutirenda kubuthirwa nae kuona kura citu riu ona thutha wa gwikia kura riu ona bandu batutetheke nika turakwira barabarani
Onge rwa kwandika arimu guku bururi-ini TSC ni rurikitie kwandika arimu 17 ero thukuru-ini wa St Gabriel Usonga maya magiuka thutha wa gicanjama kiria kiriga kuhanika na ni thutha wa mwarimu munene no uri rugamirie thukuru uyu gukorwo kiamurithio ni aciari ni kiria kirikanite ati ni maumirira moru thukuru-ini uyu gukiri uguo kana gukiri uguo ni nduracungireirie arimu aria marari thukuru-ini ucio gukorwo makiherio no thutha wa miario rũhonge rwa TSC ni rugite ati rikitio itemi ria kugacirithia mathomo mwena ucio kuna ati arutwo nio megukorwo makihiritheka kumanaga na itua riri maya mokite riri undu wonekanite gukorwo gikomithio na njira nene wa arimu gukorwo makiutururwo na njogu hatari na tha na ningi na giconoko kinene thutha wa arutwo gukorwo mategwika wega kiuria kia niki kiraria kiria kingi githi na mbere na kwiyumiria.
Out of these 17, 3 are teachers who were in Isongo before. The other 14 are teachers who have been drawn from within the region and one from outside the region. Teachers had already reported to the school, and together with the teachers on the BOM, a lot of activities going on, curriculum implementation is going on, and we will continue visiting the school so that we provide support, because as new teachers in that institutions, they may require to be guided, to be orientated, so that they are able to get their footing.
All the 70 teachers who are withdrawn from the school, and that now learning is going on. We have agreed that the security of teachers is actually paramount. One of the recommendations that were made was that the school needs to have a strong fence in the school, because currently the school is not fenced. Then we have also recommended that there should be minimum activities by the politicians in our schools, so that learning cannot actually be interfered with. We have also agreed that the board of management will be able to meet with the new teachers who have been posted to the school, so that they can be actually welcome to the school and actually orientated. We will work together with the member of parliament to sensitize the parents through a parents meeting.
The school actually is back to its normal operation. We have received our teachers, and the school board of management has been in charge of the schools since the time the principal left. Though difficult as it has been, we have been able to put the school back to its normal operation. Otherwise, we want to also take this opportunity to convey this information to our coming teachers. This is a school that has been very peaceful, and whatever happened, it was less to our expectation, and we want to give an assurance the fact that the school is back in operation, and the teachers, the safety, which has been an issue within the press, has been addressed by both the board of management, the local community, and the sub-county security team.
Rugabiru niguo kwira atiru ni tokoto kiingira kuri haro-ini muhonyoki wi gatũ na makiria kumanagia na mahenya maria oikaine namo mamite igana rimwe. Ferdinand Omanyara ni kwambika kimera giake gia kuhanyuka kiumia giukite na kuria mbĩtĩka ciake ncitanyĩtwo kũhũrwo cabi tarĩki 2 oro hamwe na tarĩki 11 mweri-inĩ ũkĩte wa February.
So tumekuwa kwa phase ya off season, off season ila no competition, just building the base. So tumekuwa tuna build base for the season 2024 na preparation imekwenda poa because we've been doing, nimekuwa fanya vitu zenye hatujafanya before, so mwili iko stronger. And now the target is the 60 meters indoor, so we are looking forward to the 60 meters in another next week on 2nd Feb. Tuko na 2 races on the tour and then come back and prepare for the world indoors. So this season you could handle everything as it comes, no pressure, and I know the competition is tough out there. Hapo high level competition is tough, but I'm positive that vitu zitakuwa sawa. Yeah, itakuwa preparation for the world indoor games, so itakuwa just getting in the first phase of the race because itatusaidia in the outdoor, but the most important thing ni kuhandle the world indoor championships because basically ni speed. The only thing itakuwa difference is that tutatumia hizo races kama training for the outdoor, but of course not forgetting that we have the world indoor games, so tutakuwa tunatumia hiyo hizo 60 meters ka training because ita help to get into the 100 meters because now itakuwa getting into the top speed as fast as possible and then maintaining it in the
Haya, hariu hatire nganja ho ni aho ni gukongekera gaturumo mohoro maitu maithaa riri. Ngatho cia mwanya ni ari othe makinyaniria mutamburuko uyu guku ni kwa Muthingi TV. Tel Shireri huma director wako haizo akimutho wa kindu gitagwo graphics na macio ni mo mariko thiini ria iriko ya mohoro mangi na wona cihanda wega thae mwena ni cia hwaine tidia thayo. Ni nawe twacemania na ujita Kariuki wa Ndwati ni ngukorwo ngiteka.